People who are eligible for vaccination due to a high-risk health condition or through their work, organization, or other risk group will be asked to provide additional information in the online registration system. If you do not have an account, you'll provide this information when you create an account. If you already have an account, log in and click the Dependent's Spouse tab. Find your name or your dependent's name and click the Pre-Register button. Review the consent page and click Next. Complete or review your personal information and then answer the additional questions. First, answer whether you meet the current eligibility guidelines based on health conditions or work. Once you say yes, you will see two questions, one for people with high-risk health conditions and another for other risk groups that are eligible. If you have one of the high-risk health conditions listed, select Yes. Then enter the information of a healthcare provider you see for your condition. If you do not have a healthcare provider, just click the I do not have a provider box. You do not need to have a provider to make an appointment. Next, answer whether you meet the current eligibility for other risk groups. If you work for or are affiliated with an organization or risk group that is eligible for vaccine, select Yes. You will be required to enter a passcode provided to you by the organization. You also need to enter the organization name and phone number. Once information is submitted for registration, it cannot be edited. So if you're not sure about your current eligibility, don't submit your information. You can come back to it later. Once you're finished, click Submit. If you meet current eligibility guidelines, you can now click the Schedule Vaccine Appointment button to continue scheduling your appointment.